Hello everyone, in this video I will crochet fluffy cat hat. I'm using this fluffy yarn. It is bulky yarn number 6. This is it, and I think this is going to be fun project and little bit tricky to work with this yarn, because mostly we will need to feel the stitch instead of see it. We will try. So to start the hat, I'm going to make a chain of 40. Knot, and as you can see, it's very fluffy but nice. This is pink color, light pink, beautiful. So I will try 40 chains. Also, I need to mention I'm using 8mm crochet hook, and you can use a little bit bigger if you like, but the hat will be bigger. So I finished my chain, and it is measure approximately 20 inches. I'm going to slip stitch in the first stitch, and I will make double crochet, but first chain 2, and I'm going to make double crochet in each stitch, and I'm gonna count my chain 2 as a stitch, so I will have 40 double crochet. You need to feel with your fingers where is the chain. I finished the first round. Now I'm going to slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 2, and double crochet in the next stitch, and whole row double crochet, and we will continue each row double crochet the same amount until we reach the desired height of the hat. I finished the hat. I made 6 rows, but in the beginning I had to make a change. Instead of 40 chains, I made just 36, and because the hat was very big, so I started with 36 chains. And now to finish the hat, I'm just going to close the top, and I'm going to make slip stitch. So I finish the row, insert the hook in the next stitch, insert the hook in the stitch in the back, and pull through loops, like slip stitch, and again in the next stitch, and in the stitch in the back side, yarn over, pull through, and pull through loop like this. Again, so just close the hat like this whole row. I finish the row. Now I have to just hide the yarn, so pull the yarn through the chain like this, cut the yarn, and take the hook from inside, pull it, and this is the finished hat. So cute and huge, beautiful. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.